Jimmy?
to the GNDF, but this is not divided.
Oh, okay.
This is the guy from here, Robert Dance, PMA graduate. First black American graduate of the Philippine Military Academy. And he
How
was
about that?
already set to enter West Point. He said, no, I'm going to the PMA. He qualified for both. So he chose the harder path. And he called it the road less traveled.
That's what I was worried that you need.
Right. But he just died here, somewhere here. He's from
Northern Virginia, sir.
Virginia,
Oh.
because he entered the Foreign Service after his military.
Can we get one picture with everyone right
So I
behind
give it to him. Huh?
the books?
Yes, please. I have a
Just
large
come
collection
right
of
here.
things that you've donated over
And
the years.
we'll get a picture.
And then you have one more.